All right, let's put you on the tripod. Get you on there. Now I need to go grab my coffee. Put some creamer in my coffee. Stir the coffee. Perfect. Time to open up fan mail. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how hard it's been to not open these already. Like, the fact that you took time out of your busy schedule, because I'm imagining you're probably not as busy as I am, because I am crazy. Sometimes I feel like I'm Superwoman because I work a full-time job and I do YouTube and I do like everything else in my life, and I am constantly pulling all-nighters. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will see that, but I'm sure you guys are still very, very, very busy, and the fact that you took time out of your day to write me a letter or send me a package, like, that makes me so happy. I'm not gonna dive into all of the packages, because if I dived into all of the packages, that might take forever. So we're just gonna open up a few. Just trying to make this a quick 5-minute video. Here's hoping. Hopefully I don't keep you here for too long. But the very first one is from Ava. Dear Courtney, I hope you like the fan art that I made you. I'm your biggest fan in NH. Wait, where's NH? I feel stupid. NH. New Hampshire. Why did I not know that? I'm your biggest fan in New Hampshire. You make me want to become a YouTuber too. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Wait, I need to open up the fan art. Oh. Oh guys, this is so cute. I love it. Okay, moving on to the next one. We have Aubrey. Hi Courtney, I just recently found your channel and I really love all the videos that you make. I hope you reach 100,000 soon. You deserve it. P.S. What is your favorite color? Oh my gosh, this is so just cute. Aubrey, thank you so much. And we are hitting 100,000 subscribers so fast. We might honestly have already hit it by the time you guys are watching this video. I know right now we are at 92,000, so we shall see. But oh my gosh, and my favorite color is white. All right, next one is Kaylee. Oh, guys. It says Indiana to Pennsylvania. My day is so amazing. I feel like it's Christmas. This is great. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got 2 letters. Dear Courtney, I saw that you were doing a fan mail unboxing and I thought it would be so cool to send you a letter with a small picture I drew of you. I got so excited when I saw that you read my Instagram DM and answered it. I'm so glad to have found you on YouTube. You inspire me and so many others. Keep making people happy and keep doing what you love. God bless you. I love you. The next one is Paige. The funny story about Paige is we actually have mutual friends, so this is pretty cool. It says, Courtney, I cannot believe we went to the same university, had mutual friends, and never met. You are such an inspiration to me and always bring a smile to my face. I hope you're doing well and I cannot wait to see more videos. I hope you win Pittsburgh Best YouTuber. Oh, girl, this is so cute. Oh, well, if you guys want, while you guys are watching this video, I'll put a link down in the description box. You guys have probably heard me talk about it. I got nominated to be Pittsburgh's Best YouTuber of 2019. So if you guys want to vote for me, you guys are welcome to do so. It'll be down in the description box. It takes 20 seconds. Oh my gosh, Paige, if you are watching this, hit me up. Like, let's go get coffee or something. I'm dead serious. I would love to do that. Okay, the next one, it actually doesn't have a return address, so I don't know who wrote this. So, oh, and it's written in cursive too. I feel like no one writes in cursive anymore, but I love it. It says, Dear Courtney, you are my favorite YouTuber / influencer ever. I live in PA too, but not in Pittsburgh. I actually live in Philly. Anyway, I hope that you like the picture that I drew for you. I'm not the best artist, but I really wanted to make something for you. You are an amazing inspiration, and I look forward to watching more of your videos. Love, Maribel. I hope I'm saying that right. Aww, and she drew this picture. You guys are so cute. Okay, what else do we want to open? Okay, we are gonna open. Dude, there's so much tape. Okay, there we go. What? I got a ball. It says, do not tear. What? Hey Courtney, my name is Kevin, with an arrow that points down. You may remember me from Insta, tagging you when I sent this and when I applauded you for spending $300 on the cheesecake. Sorry, like it's bleeding off of the ball, if you guys can see. This ball is not your gift. Here is your gift. Oh no, it says don't tear. do you not tear? It's a ball. Oh no! And the marker's bleeding on me. Okay, Kevin, I give you props. This is creative. This is really creative. It says don't tear, and I feel like I'm gonna tear it. Oh gosh, I'm stressed. Wow, how do I need to remove this. If the marker's smeared on the ball, I wrote a note to you. I know the Cheesecake Factory did not give you free lifetime for cheese and gluten-free pasta yet, but I hope this covers your next meal. He gave me a $25 gift card to the Cheesecake Factory. Kevin! This is the most thoughtful thing ever. I feel like I ruined this. I'm so sorry. I don't know how anything's gonna beat that, to be completely honest with you. This says, wasn't sure what your size is. Enjoy and love you, Vanessa. Oh, with a Pirates t-shirt. Cause you guys know I live in Pittsburgh. And like the Pittsburgh Pirates are really big. Oh, why are you guys the nicest people ever? What else do I want to open? All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know exactly what this is actually. She actually reached out to me because I do all of my Starbucks videos. She wanted to give me a reusable cup to help save the environment. And this is from Kristen's Design Shop. It's this cute little cup. Hold on, can you guys see? It says Courtney on it. I love this. She's like, what color do you want? Like you can pick anything. And I was like, no girl, like surprise me. I want to be surprised. Thank you so much, Kristen. This is so freaking cute. I'm gonna open up a few more packages and then I'm gonna go into two companies actually sent me products, so I thought that would be kind of cool to open up too. It's kind of like a PR unboxing. This one says, hi Courtney, my name is Jacqueline and I am a huge fan of yours and I'm from Nebraska. I just wanted to send you a message wishing you a happy early birthday. I love watching your videos and I love the fact that you actually engage with your subscribers and I hope you read this in the video. I did, Jacqueline. She said, I might DM you on Instagram if that's okay. No, I would love that. Guys, I try to be as engaging as I possibly can be on social media. It just doesn't always work out the way I want it to. So that seems like a good time to open up some PR packages that I got. Actually, I'm not gonna lie guys, I did already peek at these, but companies did send me these, so I thought it would be a cute thing to kind of feature. They did not ask for a feature, but I thought, you know, it might as well just be nice. I thought it was really cute that they sent me something. So the first one is from ELF. Aww, and the packaging is actually like camo. They gave me 2 of their 16-hour camo concealers. We're just gonna swatch these because why not? They did not ask me to do this, nor do I think that they are expecting it, but I thought it was cute. So this is in the shade Fair Beige. Guys, I'm officially a beauty channel. Whoa, that is so just like white. We have the other shade, which is Light Sand. This would be a lot more my shade. This one right here. I feel like out of both of them, I don't know, maybe this one, I would say. Nothing is worse than swatching something and then getting it all over everything you touch for like the next hour. Well, ELF Cosmetics, thank you. I love getting PR packages. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Like, some people find it annoying and they're like, oh my gosh, it's such a waste of paper. Like, no, I'm like, give me the PR package. The next one is from Curology. They actually reached out to me ahead of time and they were like, hey, like, we'd love to send you a free Curology kit. And my provider's name is Melissa. So what's up, girl? As of right now, I feel like I've been honestly recording for like 45 minutes. But that also could be the fact that I pulled an all-nighter last night and I am running on literally 0 energy right now, hence why I look like this, and the fact that I just had coffee at, what time is it? 7 o'clock at night, because I need to stay awake, because I need one more video that I need to edit, and then I can sleep. So, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for just sending me just anything, like whether it was a package, whether it was a letter. I still have packages back here that I haven't even opened. Hit the subscribe button because we are on the track to hit 100,000 subscribers and I'm really excited. There's so many just really cool, exciting businessy things that are happening in my life right now. So I hope that you guys will stay a part of it. I want to be transparent, like whether it's business, like whether I got signed to an agency or whether it's, you know, something cool that comes up or a partnership or a collaboration or whatever happens. Like, I want to be transparent with you guys, and I have some really cool stuff coming. So So I hope that you guys will stick around for it. And this video just makes me so happy. I feel like it's Christmas. So thank you guys again. Oh my gosh, I'm done. Okay, I need to stop saying that. I will see you guys later. Bye.